Hello everyone, it's Julia here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own 3D beach ball home decor using Thermoweb's Fusible Fleece and Crafter's Edge crossover 2 die cutting machine with their beach ball and circle dies. So let's begin. Using the crossover 2 machine, cut out 6 fabric beach ball wedges using the large beach ball die. Using the smaller die, cut out 6 fusible fleece wedges. You will notice the beach ball die is used by cutting the fabric on the fold. Sometimes the die does not line up quite with the fold of your fabric, so you'll need to snip those uncut edges. You will also need to cut out 2 1.5-inch circles with your choice of fabric for the top and bottom of your beach ball. Next, you will need to adhere the fusible fleece to the center of your fabric wedges. The fleece is smaller than the fabric wedge, so we eliminate any trouble with bulgy seams. To assemble our beach ball wedges, you need to place them right sides together. Starting at a 1/4 inch down, sew a 1/4 inch seam. You will want to stop a 1/4 inch before you reach the bottom as well. You need to leave a 1/4 inch unsewn on the top and bottom so that you are able to successfully sew the other wedges to your beach ball. Leaving a 1/4 inch unsewn on the top and bottom makes assembly easier, as well as it aligns your top seams to a better point on the top and bottom of your ball. In fact, once you have sewn the first set, you will actually have a guide on where to begin and end your next set of stitches for the other wedges. Continue sewing the beach ball wedges together until you have sewn the entire ball, minus one final side seam. When sewing the final side seam, leave an opening so that you can turn your ball right side out. Turn your ball right side out and stuff with fiberfill. To close the beach ball, you will need to hand sew the seam together. I use the invisible stitch. To get a good grip on the ball for hand sewing, you will need to push some of the stuffing down. Once you have closed the seam, work the ball around to obtain a better displacement of the fiberfill and a rounder ball. Finish your beach ball by using Thermoweb's Fabric Fuse to glue the 1.5-inch circles to the top and bottom of your ball. You can leave it this way as it is a permanent bond, or you can also add hand stitches, like the blanket stitch, to create a nice finished look.